cents. So a snack for two is only $3.35. So that is one. We are going to McDonald's today for a cup of coffee, extra large. The reason why we choose McDonald's over Tim Hortons because McDonald's is cheaper. Their extra large double double is around $1.75 only compared to Tim Hortons. Their extra large double double is around $2 plus. So why would you choose a coffee that is more expensive when in fact you can buy a cheaper one and the same size also? So with that coffee, we are going to pair it with the apple turnover. So our snack is just so affordable. One cup of coffee, and then I'm going to transfer it in this cup, plus turnovers, apple turnovers from Costco, which is it has around 8 pieces. So if you are going to calculate it, each turnover would be so that's two point oh no 8.99 minus 2.5, that's already 6.49, and divide by 8, so that is around 8 cents already. 8 cents per turnover. And then if we are just going to eat two of it, so times two, that's $1.06 plus the coffee. Coffee is 1.75, so 1.75 plus 8 cents plus 8 cents. So a snack for two is only $3.35. So that is one extra large coffee and then two apple turnovers from Costco. So that is a very affordable snacks already from Costco plus McDonald's. Right? Shit. It's rainy. And I got lucky today because I didn't pay anything for my coffee. You know why? Well, it's because I used my points. I've accumulated more than 2,000 points already. So I used that one on my coffee. And there is a funny thing here inside the coffee. Oh, I could just take it out using I don't know what's that. This one, I don't know what's that. Maybe it's just plastic. And I'm just gonna pour the coffee here. There you go. Da-da-dang. Okay. Unfortunately, McDonald's doesn't offer any discount um, for bringing your own. They call this for bringing your own coffee cup. So I can't complain because their coffee is already cheap, like $1.75 for one extra large, and then I think it's still unfair because other coffee shops they offer a couple of cents discount if you're going to bring your own cup, but then McDonald's still offer a cheap coffee. So I guess that's it. Open this one. Yeah, it's 8 pieces of apple turnovers. Right, tissue. Maybe we'll just put tissue and then we'll get 2 apple turnovers. Let's put it here. Oh, we already ran out of tissues.
You're gonna put the 2 apple turnovers
Yeah.
on tissue. No, don't put tissue. That's what I said. You can put it on cloth.
Yeah, no, no.
Put it
So we don't have tissues anymore, and Yep. Oh, it's already 2:54. Let's go. Oh, so good. So what do you think, guys? Is this really worth it or just a waste of money?
It's good.
Yeah. Good. Mm. Oh, the apples and overs is huge. Wow.